What is up, guys? It is Christian with OPH Outdoors, and we are heading to a local farm pond right now, and we're gonna go out and fish for a few. Thinking today, gonna try to catch one on a swim bait. I've just got a new one glide bait in. It's a Jackall Gantrel, and then I have three other glide baits I can throw too, which are well, I've got two River to Sea S-Wavers, or three of those, and then I've got one Spro BBZ1. So we're gonna throw those around today. We're gonna see what we can catch, and hopefully we can get a big one. I'll get you guys out there. See, this thing casts those freaking. This thing casts the S-Wavers good. Yeah, I'm just slowly reeling this thing. I was doing a half turn.
Get that out?
Huh?
You want to try to get that out while I cast your rod?
Oh, that. You just want
to get it out.
Oh, you got him. Oh, that's a good one.
Oh shit. It's a big one.
Hey, that's a good one.
That's a good one.
Hey, that looks like the one that was just following this.
I can't get
Here.
it out, dude. I really can't. I'm not even playing.
Do you not have pliers?
No, I don't have pliers with me.
We do have pliers, Sky.
You do?
Yeah,
Okay.
remember?
Oh, I'm weak.
There you go.
Was that one? Oh, that's that
You
one.
didn't weigh him, did you?
Oh, that's a big.
Hey, that's a nice one.
Nice fish. Look at that.
That looks like the one that was up there following my swim bait.
It's a big one. Look at that.
Dang it, he came off. All right. Yeah, it doesn't cast bad though, does it?
We're not gonna take a picture of that one. It's two. I'm throwing a fish. I'm trying to catch a bigger fish, you know?
Oh.
But that was a big fish. Just cast out straight out that way.
I'm gonna switch this reel over to braid probably tonight.
Oh yeah. See, I think braid just helps, man. We're fishing both these with braid.
I've got both my Noski. Got one?
Yeah. Cool thing is you just bring it over here, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's like a decent one.
No. I just have my drag reel loose because I've got 6 pound on this. I don't want to snap.
Oh yeah, it was 6 pound Seaguar too, so it's gonna break like 5.
It's not bad.
Oh, that's not bad. You're good.
Hey, buddy.
Yeah.
There we go.
Bro, Christian, that's...
See, I think the range is going to be like this, on and off, just... I need to dial in my reel because I can't do that with mine just because I'm going to bird's nest it if I don't, or if I do that. There we go. Oh yeah, monster, dude. Monster. See that monster? I know, it is about the size of my S-Waver. Hey, there's... Honestly though, if you want to catch one on that, I would go down there in that opening because there's some good tree, or good... Oh, there we go. This one's fighting better. Ned rig. They're over here, that's for sure.
Oh, that's a decent one, too. That's a good one.
No. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna need pliers for this. Oh. Oh, maybe not. Hey, that's actually not a bad one.
No, it's not. They're chunky.
It's not a bad one at all. There, go for a swim bait now. All right, I got my fun catching a few. Now I'm gonna throw a glide bait for a few. Hey, I got the mini one. Oh, I was just scared that I was gonna bird's nest it. Dude, this thing, Actually, when I'm freaking trying to sling them with this thing casts it so good. You know what I may do since I've got that jackal now?
Yeah.
I may take that jackal and tie a line. Oh, I don't have any extra line. I was gonna say tie like a 2-foot leader with a weight on it and just have it go like 2 foot off the bottom. Dude, I love this rod. I'm gonna, just because of the way this thing feels when you cast it, I'm gonna use this thing so much.
The shaky head's not hooking up for some reason. I don't know why.
Oh, that's that.
It's the Pringle BMC shake head. I think it's terrible.
Did I miss him? Yep.
I bought a bunch of road ones the other day.
I saw.
Huh?
I saw. You sent me a Snapchat and there were like 1 million robo worms. I feel like that thing. Oh, I was still thinking that was your. Got one. Oh, dude, this one's fighting good.
Who's gonna get this in first, bro?
Not me. Mine's way out there. Oh, mine may be decent. Oh, he. Oh, no. Do not go in those rocks. That's not a bad one.
Sounded good on that. Oh my god. That was a really nice one for you. It was chunky too.
Oh, yeah, that's not bad at all.
That was a nice fish here.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's a good one.
It's a good bass. Not the typical one you catch out of here. Nice fish, nice fish. Oh, dude, I can already tell from that one bite I had that this rod is sensitive.
It wasn't sensitive for you to catch it, was it?
Huh?
No, I'm just playing.
Is it what?
It wasn't sensitive enough for you to catch it, was it?
Shut up.
No, I'm just playing.
You're just happy to get out and fish, aren't you?
Right, yeah, I haven't been here all year.
Oh, dude, there's a bite, there's a bite. No, he isn't coming back.
I'm about to go back to the rig because this is. I can get it out there. I'm good
See?
to the other bank over there.
Well, guys, I know it's probably loud in here, but as you can see, it's raining a little bit. It's pretty out of nowhere. It was sprinkling, then it just started getting really bad. So I'm in here for a minute since I got my GoPro, and then I'm gonna get back out there and fish if it calms down a little bit. Hopefully it will. If not, well, we'll see what happens. But well, guys, it did not quit raining. It just kept on coming and coming, and then it got harder. So we stayed out there for a few to fish longer. I didn't want to have my GoPro though, so I didn't ruin it. So I put my GoPro away. But yeah, we got quite a bit of fish today. We had a few decent ones, nothing like too huge, but good for that place. And it's still cold out where I'm from. So I think it was like 55 when we went out there. Now it's 48 when I'm leaving, and it's raining, and it's just pretty cold. So it's a good sign that the bass are going to be on this year with them already biting like this, and with the weather that we're having. So be ready. We're going to come out with a lot more good content. If you guys want, I'll come out with some comparison reviews, like cheap versus expensive tackle, stuff like that. Or we can do like swim bait challenges and that type of stuff. So let me know what you guys want to see, and we'll catch you next time.